Have you ever wondered how 5 simple acts of faith can transform your life forever? What if I told you that these 5 practices not only bring you closer to Allah, but can also bring peace, success, and spiritual clarity in your everyday life? Stick with me to unlock the true power of these 5 pillars of Islam and see how they can change your life for the better. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Zak Islam. Have you ever wondered why the 5 pillars of Islam are called the foundation of faith? What if I told you that by truly understanding and practicing these pillars, you can completely transform your life? Stick with me, and let's uncover how these 5 simple yet powerful acts shape your connection with Allah, your community, and yourself. Pillar 1. Shahada, the declaration of faith. Let's start with Shahada. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad, PBUH, is his final messenger. This is more than just words. It's the core belief that shapes your entire life. But how can a simple statement have so much power? It is the gateway to your entire spiritual journey. Pillar 2. Salah, the 5 daily prayers. Next, we have Salah, the 5 daily prayers. But it's more than just a ritual, it's a lifeline. What happens when you set aside time each day to connect with Allah? How does this simple act create balance and tranquility in your life? Pillar 3. Zakat, charity and helping the needy. Zakat, the 3rd pillar, might surprise you. Giving charity isn't just an act of kindness, it's a purification of wealth and soul. But why does Allah make it mandatory for every Muslim? How can this simple act change both your life and the lives of others? Pillar 4. Sawm, fasting. During Ramadan. Now let's talk about Sawm, fasting. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn till dusk, but it's not just about food, it's a spiritual detox. How does refraining from earthly pleasures draw you closer to Allah? How does this act of self-discipline cleanse your heart and mind? Pillar 5. Hajj, the sacred pilgrimage. Finally, we have Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. For many Muslims, it's a once-in-a-lifetime journey, but what makes Hajj so extraordinary? Why do millions of people come together in one place every year? And what spiritual transformation occurs during this sacred journey? These 5 pillars are more than just acts of worship. They are life-changing practices. They guide you, shape your character, and help you build a stronger connection with Allah. But are you truly embracing these pillars? Are they transforming your life as they were meant to? Take a moment and reflect. Which pillar resonates with you the most? How has it changed your life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that brings you closer to Allah and enriches your life.